Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to TechCube once again. Today we are going to talk about how to protect a single or selective part of a sheet in Excel. So guys, I know pretty much of you guys knows already how to protect totally workbook or maybe a single sheet. But I am not talking about that. I am talking about how to protect few rows or maybe a few columns. So first of all, let me enter something. I'm just going to enter whatever comes under my hand in the keyboard. So as you guys can see, I'm going to use 5 columns. So guys, first of all, if you want to protect only these few selected columns, then let me show you. First of all, you have to select total worksheet, then press right column, right click, then go to format cells, then go to protection, then uncheck the log. Okay, so guys, what we just did is we just uncheck total worksheet. Now as usual, if you want to protect, then you have to go to review. So once we are in review, select whatever you want to protect, then left click, then click format cells, then press lock. Okay, next you are going to, as usual, click on protect sheet. If you want to put some password, then you can put it, but I am just going to leave it at that. Okay guys, let's now check it out. As you can see, I am not entering directly on a protected area. I am just entering on the unprotected area right now. As you can see, we can enter something on here, but we cannot enter here, as you can see. Okay, I hope you guys can understand, and I hope it was helpful to you. So that's it guys. If you are new to my channel, if you are looking forward to similar videos, then do not forget to subscribe. And if you like this video and it was helpful, then please like and share. And if you want wanna give me some suggestion, please feel free to comment below. Okay guys, thank you. See you on next video.